Hello, it's Deborah from the attic. If you're new here, you're very welcome. Please go and check out some of the other videos that I have on my channel. There are playlists for journal making, card making, and if you want something short and quick to look at, there are also some coffee break tutorials. So that's going to give you some ideas of things that you could make, but you don't have to spend an awful lot of time watching them. I try and keep my videos tight and short and only film the things that I think you need to see. And of course, if you're returning, welcome back. I'm working in my latest journal. This is my 2022 journal. I've been working my way through my setup. That's available in previous videos. I'll provide a link up there so that you can see them. And I've just been going through my January setup. And now I'm getting ready for February. Now, February is my birth month, which means I am a Pisces. And my design for my front cover for February started from these two little fish here, the little Pisces fish that sort of seen swimming in opposition to each other. And from that, I decided that I would go and build a whole sea scene. It's not something I usually draw. Most of my drawing that I've shared with you online has been botanical drawings, where I've used YouTube tutorials from other YouTubers such as Shayda Campbell to help me understand how to design a bouquet, for example. I've also done a few little doodles of my own things, but I thought a sea scene might be a nice way to flesh out just having these two fish here. So I spent some time working on the different elements. I've practiced how to draw them. Now I've pulled it all together in this scene and I'm ready to ink this in. So this has just been done in rough pencil at the moment, and I thought I would do a quick video just of me drawing this in ink. And the pens that I'm using are Winsor & Newton fine line pens, and I've got two. I'm going to use the 0.3 nib size for the outline, and I'm going to use the 0.1, which is a finer one, for any detail work I might want to do. I'm going to pop on some nice relaxing music so you can just sit back and watch. Now that I've removed the pencil lines, my drawing is complete, and I think I may colour this in with some pencils. If I do, I'll share it with you when I do my reveal for my February bullet planning journal. Thanks very much for watching, thanks for your time as always, and until we meet again, stay safe and take care.